Hello friends, in today's question, a spring of force constant K is cut into two pieces such that one piece is double the length of the other, then the long piece will have a force constant of. So we are given that there is a spring of force constant K. So therefore, there is a spring with force constant K, and let us suppose its length is given as L. Now it is cut into two pieces, and let us suppose this is your first piece and this is your second piece, and it says that the length of the first piece, one piece is double the length of other. So let us suppose its length is x, so therefore its length will be 2x. So this is our original spring. Okay, this is our first piece, and this is our second. So this is cut pieces. You can say cut piece of spring. So we said that the original spring is, let us suppose, is having a length L. Total length of original spring is equal to L. Length of first spring is x and length of second spring is 2x. Length of first spring is x and length of second spring is double, which is 2x. Therefore, we can say that x plus 2x is equal to L. So from here we can write it that our x will equal to L by 3. So we can write the length of the spring in terms of now L. Okay. So the first spring we can also call it as a shorter spring. This is our shorter spring and this is our longer. So we can say, therefore, shorter spring will be equal to L by 3 and longer spring will be equal to 2L by 3. And we know that the spring constant of force constant of a spring is inversely proportional to the length. Force constant K of a spring is inversely proportional to length. Therefore, you can write for the longer spring, let us suppose that is given as K long. This will equal to C divided by the length, that is 2L by 3, which comes as C 3 by 2L, and we are only interested in the shorter spring. So therefore, in the longer spring, so we are not right for the shorter spring. And we can also write that force constant for the original length, force constant for original length which is given as k will be equal to c divided by length L. Now we can easily find out that from here the value of c will be equal to KL, and we substitute in this equation. We can say that spring constant for K long will be equal to 3 by 2L multiplied by KL, and this L and L cancels out, so we get the spring constant comes as 3 by 2K. So this is the spring constant for the long piece. Spring constant for long piece. So option, we check it, it is 3 by 2K. So option number B is the correct option. From here we can say that option B is correct. So this completes the question. Thank you.